Guys, this is FX Forex Academy. Uh, in this particular video, this is actually a mini course, let me say a beginner course to trading, which I'm actually creating for free. So if you are actually find this video, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, comment your thoughts. Probably, maybe you're enjoying the section or you have a question to ask, and I will surely attend to that. You understand? So, yeah, and if you find it very, very interesting or valuable, you can share to your friend and let them learn as well. Share to a relative and let them learn as well. So, I'm going to be doing subsequent videos, which is going to be the full beginner course for forex trading. So FX Forex Academy is going to be bringing free training for you as far as trading is concerned for total beginners. So the episode one of this series is the beginning of what the understanding of what Forex is. So what is Forex? Forex is more like the acronym. So when you have four at the foreign and EX as the exchange normally. So that is what we call Forex. So when we say foreign exchange, really means there's a transaction between two particular countries. Like there's a transaction between a country and another country. They exchange some things. It might be in terms of money, it might be in terms of goods and services, or it might be in terms of services. You understand? So that is what forex really means. So when we now come to trading, so forex trading is the act of trading one country currency against another. Before we actually move to that particular explanation, I would like to tell you what trading really means. You know, in trading, trading actually involves buying and selling of something, buying and selling. So trading occurs when you buy or you sell something. So in this case now, we are talking about forex trading, and as far as the finance market is concerned, financial market is concerned. So forex trading is the art of trading one country currency against another. So when we have one particular currency and we want to exchange it to another particular currency, we have already done what we call forex trading. For example, if you are trading the United States dollar against the naira, for example, you have a naira, you are living in Nigeria, which we have naira as our currency, and you probably want to make use of a dollar, you need dollar, or probably you are traveling to the United States and you cannot spend your naira, which is our currency, you cannot spend it there at the United States. So you need to exchange your naira into the United States dollar. So either go to bank or go to all this big exchange to exchange your naira in equivalent to the current value at that particular time. You exchange your naira into dollar. That's exactly what forex trading is. So you have already done what we call forex trading. So when it now comes to the online space, when it comes to trading forex online, so there are some things that you need to know when it comes to trading forex online. So it's not more about your country and the country you want to exchange their currency with. You understand? It's now like you have an opportunity to exchange different country currency, living alone in Nigeria, like living in Nigeria or the country of your residence, and you can decide to exchange euro to dollar. You can decide to exchange Japanese yen to New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar to Japanese yen, any country currency you want to transact, like you want to buy or you did not want to sell. So that is when you have to connect to some forex trading platform when it comes to online. So that is when you need to connect to some forex trading platform. So before I actually review some platform that you do all this transaction, buying this particular currency, selling this particular currency to make your own profit out from that, I would like to introduce to you, I would like to tell you what you needed to start this online trading, forex online trading. You need your phone, you need your internet connection, and you like the third one I would say not that really compulsory is a laptop. If you have a laptop, it is additional, but if you don't have, you can use everything, you can execute everything on your phone. Check the rate, buy and sell on your on your mobile phone with the help of the internet connection. You get, so the three things that I personally think you need to start trading as a total beginner. Person who don't have really understanding of what trading is. You don't know what trading really is before. So far you have your phone, you have an internet connection. If you have a laptop, it's additional, but it is not compulsory. You get, so your phone can do some necessary things, and when you have the opportunity to have a laptop, you can now upgrade it more like an upgrade way of trading online with the laptop. But your phone and simple internet connection is enough for you to start trading online. You get. So now let's give you some platform that you needed to like I would say an apps or tools that you needed to start this online trading. I'm going to be breaking down the usefulness of each tools or apps that I actually listed here. So number one on the list is Metatrader 5 app. So let me quickly tell you what Metatrader 5 app does. Like in Metatrader 5, it's actually the one that gives us the opportunity to click on that buy and sell. Let's say, for example, we have picked the currency that we want to trade. Like this now, I'm in Nigeria and I decided, okay, I want to trade euro and US dollar. So I'm going to check the rate of euro, the rate of USD. Okay, I'm going to know, okay, which one am I buying, which one am I selling? Is euro high at this particular moment? Is United States dollar low at this particular moment? So if I collate two together from my chart, I'll be able to know that, okay, euro USD at this particular time, I need to buy euro. You understand? I need to buy at that particular moment. So the platform that allows you to execute all these transactions is what we call the MetaTrader 5 app. Now, think of MetaTrader 5 app as your mobile banking app. Think of MetaTrader 5 as your mobile banking app. After you've went to your bank, and you have created an account with your bank. The account you created, they are going to be giving you account number and you're going to be the one to create the PIN yourself. So the next thing is you go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download that particular bank app, right? You download the bank app and you insert your account number, your PIN, and you're able to log in. So this, your mobile app, it enables you to transfer money, to send money to someone, to transfer money, to do some other thing like you transfer, you send. That is basically what MetaTrader 5 app does as well. So the bank that you went to, that you go and register for that particular bank is in forex trading now, we call them brokerage website. Let me just brokerage firms. They are like companies that allows you to create an account for you to be able to have the opportunity to trade forex online. So that's the number two on the list. It's actually falls under the tools. I would say it's an app and tools as well. Like they are more like the same thing. You understand? Apps and tools. So either way you categorize it, but just know, okay, broker, they have some broker have app, while some broker doesn't allow you to download some app. Basically, they use website. You understand? And I think there are some brokers that have Android app, like, and they are not, their app is not actually on the uh iPhone, you understand, on iOS. So you understand. So now let's not talk about this broker firms now. So this broker now, the moment you know that okay, this is the broker that I want to be using, probably you have a valid link that you want to use to register. For example, I have a particular link that I partner with some broker and I have a specific link, which is a valid link that you can use to register. So uh, if you want to register with a broker, I'm going to give you two recommended broker that I use so that they have best when it comes to best options like withdrawal, depositing, spread, fax execution. They are the best. So I recommend them. We can go to the description of this video to get the link for those brokers to register for. So once you click on that link, it's going to redirect you to their website straight, and that is where you are going to create an account with your email address and the password you choose to create the account yourself. You get. So after creating the account, that is when you now are like what verify the account. It's very, very important to verify a brokerage account because if you do not verify, you might have problem when you are depositing or when you actually want to withdraw. More like when you are creating an account with your bank, so they ask you for your BVN, they ask you for your NIN, your passport, all those stuff that is normal, is regular. It is normal thing for you to verify the account. That's exactly what the broker will ask you to like do. So once your account is verified, so they give you an options to deposit. You're going to see some brokers have the minimum deposit of $10, some have $12, some $50, some $5, some as well as $1 deposit. You get. So after you verify your account and they've sent you an email that your account is verified on their website, the next thing is you proceed to link your account to MetaTrader 5 now. Like I said, MetaTrader 5 is more like your mobile banking now. After you've created your account with your bank, you are going to go and download their app and you log in the app, so you're able to use the app to transfer, send, that's the same thing with this thing I'm trying to explain. So once you have created an account with the broker, they will give you MT5 login. That is when you are going to go to your MT5, you search for the broker. The moment you search for the broker finish, you are going to input the login there. So once you input the login, I have a video on how to do that, which I'll surely attach to the description below as well. I'm going to attach those videos there as well. So if you really want to watch them on how to create your account successfully and link it to Metatrader 5, I'm going to drop it there as well. So if I wasn't able to drop it there, that is going to be in the subsequent video as well. So stay tuned. So don't forget to just subscribe. So you subscribe, you turn on post notifications. So anytime I drop those videos, you'll be the first person to see those videos. So let's proceed. So brokerage app, I want to give you your MetaTrader 5 login. And after you get your MetaTrader 5 login, you go to MetaTrader 5, you search for the broker, you input the login, and you are successfully logging into MetaTrader 5. So at that time, your brokerage account and MetaTrader 5 is linked together. So on your broker account, you just go ahead and deposit. So the moment you deposit, it's going to reflect on your MetaTrader 5. And on MetaTrader 5, that is where you execute the trades. You click on the buy and the sell. You understand? Depending on your analysis. So the last app that I have here is Tradingview app. So what does Tradingview app? So looking at this interface now, this is the interface of the Tradingview. And what did I do on Tradingview is that I analyze the market with charts. There's what we call charts in trading. There's what we call charts. And what does this chart really look like? How does it really look like? This is it here, right? Right here that you are saying. This is how it looks like. This is the chart. You see, something is more, some candles are moving up, some are coming down, some are, this particular chart is represented with candle. So this is where we know that, okay, this particular currency is going up at this time, so I need to buy it. If this particular currency is coming down, at this point I need to sell it. I need to sell it. So there's what we call analysis. That is when you really want to learn about technical analysis for you to be analyzing the charts yourself. You get, so that is that on this episode. And if you are yet to subscribe to this video, like I said, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this is where I'm going to be dropping subsequent video as well. So subscribe and always turn post notification, because anytime I drop a new video, you are going to be the first person to see the video. It's going to give you notification. YouTube is going to give you notification that I drop new educational video like this. And don't forget to like this video. It's very, very important. And drop your comments. If you enjoyed the training section, drop it there. I really enjoyed it, love it, you understand. If you have questions, ask in the comment section as well. And if you find this very, very interesting, you can share to your friend and relative as well for them to watch and learn. So see you in episode 2 of